Hello lovers, welcome to another video. It's your girl Sharon. If you're new here, thanks for your time. Thanks for clicking. I appreciate your time. In today's video, I'm here to unbox with you lovelies iPhone 14 Pro Max. Yes, yeah, it's finally here. Okay, I'll unbox with you lovelies and show you what's in the box. Okay, the all new iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max are finally here. They are all available for purchase globally. Okay, I pre-ordered this. Yes, I pre-ordered this and I received this 3 days ago. And yeah, excuse my voice, I'm having cold. I waited for 2 days to see if this will clear for me to be able to do this video, but yeah, I just need to film this and get this video out. All right, so let's quickly get started. Yeah, it came like this. Today I want to unbox this. I will unbox today, show you guys what is inside, as I said before, and what it looks like. And at least we use this for 1 week. I'll tell you lovelies what I think about this one. Okay, we are not reviewing today. I don't intend to review this today. Okay, this is what is in the box, nicely protected. This is what we have here. I ordered charger, USB power adapter. Let me get the second box. This is another box. I will quickly open this and see what is inside. I don't know why this arrived separately. It's supposed to put everything in one box, but okay. This is what I have. This is USB cable. I need extra charger. If you need this, you just need to order them from their website. If you know me, you will know I'm Apple big fan, as in my laptop, tablets, phones, Apple. All right, so I have other accessories. I just ordered this charger. Okay, this is what we got here. Comes with various upgrades, including the new dynamic island. This is what it looks like. If you're new to Apple, you are likely to get more accessories. You just need to order them from their website. Okay, the iPhone arrives in a slim box. Let me quickly open this. Let's see. I love the slim packaging. Let's go ahead and open this. Okay. Wow, this is incredible. Look at that. Okay. Yeah, you know, I love good. All my phones, I always go for good color. Even tablets, laptops, I go for silver when gold is not there. Look at that. Look at this, all right? In this box, let's quickly go through what we have in the box. We have this cable. I bought extra, and in here, let's see what we have here. We have Apple sticker, and you have this. You no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during iPhone setup. For more information, go to apple.com. Okay, instructions is back right here. Okay, in here, I'm glad I have this. This is all we have in this box. Yeah, to the phone. I think this looks so good. Yeah, Apple makes very good phones, I must say. It's stainless. I wish this is matte. That would have been better for me. Okay, if you ask me, because if I'm not covering this phone, if I'm not using phone case, yeah, this get dirty easily. This side, even as I'm touching this, I can see my fingerprints. Look at the camera bump. This is a huge difference compared to the last Apple phone. Look at that. Look at that. The back looks good. Oh my god. It looks so good. So sleek. I love this. Okay. We have the power buttons by the sides. They still maintain the power buttons here. And this side, no SIM card. No SIM card this time. Yeah, front looks so cool. I love this. Let's quickly on this. Let me quickly set up this. Okay, of course, I'll go with English. Okay, I'll go ahead and create a passcode. Look at that. All done. We are done, all right? Look at that. It looks so good, all right? No stress, you know, no stress, no tools to open the packaging. Just simply pull the label tabs, open the box. Is that easy? As I showed you, the things I got in the box, as I showed you, is the phone, the iPhone 14 Pro Max, USB cable, documentation, 1X Apple sticker. With what I've seen here already, yeah, I would say iPhone 14 Pro Max brings several improvements, including the dynamic X-length. Yeah, what I'm looking at here, I can see improvements. As I said before, I will use this for 1 week and I will tell you what I think about this new Apple 14 Pro Max. Okay, for the price, I can't really tell you what I got this. I can't really tell you the price now because I'm not very good at that, to be honest. I will go to their websites and get the price for you so I don't give wrong informations. Okay, if you made it this far, thank you so much for your time. If you're interested to know about this phone, I will come back in 1 week to tell you guys what I think about this phone. If you're interested, I'm sure you know what to do. Thank you so much for your time, and until next time, I will see you lovelies. Bye for now.